Now we will see how we can rebrand our Rise WhatsApp CRM Chrome extension, and you can include your own brand name, your own logo. So first we need to unzip this extension file, extract all. When you extract, you will get these files. So here we need, these are the logo files we need to replace with our new file. So here we can see there is file image file. So we need to rename and replace this. So here we have this image. We need to replace our new logo. So first make 5 copies. Just copy this and paste 5 times. 5 copies of this. So just copy it and paste it 5 times. Now here 5 copies, and then we will rename these files. And these files must be in PNG format to work with this extension. Here is the PNG file. It must be in PNG. If you have JPEG or any other format, you just need to convert in PNG. You can use the online converter. There is many online converter available. You can just search on Google JPEG to PNG converter or whatever file you have. So you need to have PNG file. So we have these files five. We just need to rename this. Then we are first file will be icon dash 16. These are the first one icon dash 15. Now our file will be icon 32. Second file, and third file will be icon 34. Icon dash 34. Fourth file will be icon dash 64. Icon dash 128. So these will be the files we need to replace. So first copy these files and replace in our extension directly here. Just paste here, paste and replace. And now you can see all the files replaced here. All images file. Then copy these files. Then again copy. Again the same file you need to replace inside extension. Then go here images, and then paste here. So this is the two place you need to replace your images. Your image logo first indirectly, and then another here inside images. So now this is done. Then you need to log in your reseller panel. So first you need to log into reseller panel. So here we have our reseller panel. We have already logged in. Click your profile icon. Then you need to click here update profile. When you click update file, you will get this page. You need to enter your name here. Don't need to extension name, your name here. Then here you need to enter your mobile number. Enter your email here. Your support URL. You can include here your page URL. If your client need any support, they can visit that. So if you don't have any page, then you can simply put your WhatsApp link. Yes, include your WhatsApp number by country code 9. So here you can include your WhatsApp number link or your page link. This is update URL. Customer will get update notification. They can update by here. You can put your update URL here. You can put here your link. When expire, the plan will expire. Your client will get a pop-up of this link, so they can renew by visiting that link. You can include a link of when somebody clicks on your logo, they will get directed to this link. You can include your purchase link from where people can purchase. This is monthly plan from where people can purchase. This is yearly plan. These URL you can customize from here. You can also include watch tutorial link. Your clients will click here, then they get to watch tutorial. You can include here your YouTube videos link, anything you have. Here you can also include any link if somebody click on request feature link, then they get redirected to whatever link you will put here. Expired image along with renewal link, they will also get image whatever you put here. They will get whatever you put here. They will see as a pop-up, and you need to upload logo here. Your logo, whatever logo you want to show, that you included in your extension file, you need to upload here. And here you need to enter your extension name, whatever extension name you want to show, you need to enter here. You can also enter here currency symbol, USD, rupee, whatever. You can include your monthly price, whatever you have, and your yearly price, and your current version. You need to include your current version. Your version updates, you need to regularly update here. So you people will get notification whenever new version come. So current version is 5 dot sorry, current version is 6.5.8. So this is the current version. If people using current version, then they will not get any notification to update. And if they are using older version, they will get a notification to update their version. You just need to update here. You will get this message profile updated successfully. Now in this panel, your work is done, and you will get a reseller ID. When you visit the top, here you get a reseller ID saying that your reseller ID is 31. You will get unique ID. Mine is different, your will be different. So you need to update inside your extension file. Here it is written here. Please update this reseller ID in Chrome extension manifest.json file. So you need to find this manifest.json file inside your Chrome extension. So just visit your Chrome extension. Here is the file manifest. Just open this. You can open with Notepad plus plus also. If you have VS Code, you can open with that also. So when you open this, you need to include your reseller ID here. Whatever your ID is, you need to include here. Reseller underscore ID. Your reseller ID will go here. Then you need to include your extension name, whatever extension name you want to show. Whatever extension name you want to show, you need to enter here. Just copy this and replace it here also. Here is also the first. So we replace 1, 2, and 3 places. So these 3 places you need to change your name and your reseller ID and just save this. Press Control S. When you save it, it is done. It is done. And then you visit your extension and then select all and just zip this zip file. Make a zip file. So this is the zip file. Now your extension is successfully rebranded, and now you can share with your customers, your clients, and you can start selling. And that's it.